Our audience's stomachs are probably protesting against these crispy snacks. This machine is born to serve BBQ parties worldwide. Isn't it amazing? This gentle grain sorting machine is designed for various round and elongated fruits. Precision. Low noise and user-friendly are keywords for this new machine. With the KSB2 cabbage core remover, you can core up to 600 cabbages per hour. Cored cabbages can be optimally processed with the CAP68 cabbage cutting machine. If you find these machines outdated, comment 0. And if modern, comment 1. So we know. We present a short clip showcasing the centrifugal egg breaker UDTJ10. It will be applied in bakeries, confectionaries, tube noodle manufacturing companies, as well as small and medium-sized restaurants. Easy operation, sturdy design, and high capacity all come together in one. Peeling and coring a large quantity of avocados gently and efficiently. The convenient avocado line, partially automated, is your perfect solution. It makes your staff's handling easier and maximizes productivity per person. After more than 30 years, the PPM Technologies VF vibrating conveyor line continues to be a reliable and proven product in the food industry. Flexible drug design allows for the creation of conveyor lines suitable for various applications from light snacks, grains, baked goods, dried fruits and cereals to wet and frozen products. Of meat. Every stroke of the knife, every slice of meat is thorough and delicate, creating a perfect meat processing process. This not only ensures uniformity in the size of the meat pieces, but also keeps the quality and flavor of the meat at its best. Seeing this scene, one can see the care and dedication of people working in the food industry. They not only work to create the best products, but also work with passion and pride. Looking at the meticulously processed beef parts in the factory, you have to admire the sophistication and professionalism in the production process. Each cut of beef is prepared with care and thoroughness, from the selection of ingredients to the processing process. The uniformity in size and shape of each piece of beef shows the expertise and high sense of responsibility of the workers. Not only that, the natural color and freshness of the beef are also clear proof of the quality and reputation of the factory. These images are proof of the continuous investment and efforts of manufacturers in bringing consumers high-quality, safe and hygienic beef products. Cutting beef at a 1:1 ratio not only requires high technique, but also reflects sophistication and professionalism in the food processing process. This ratio ensures that each cut of beef is uniform in size, thereby creating consistency and evenness in cooking and serving. The skillful hands of workers working with beef saws must adjust each cut to ensure a 1:1 ratio. A process that requires sophistication and patience. When beef is cut in this ratio, it not only increases the aesthetics of the dish. Smart side saws in food production play an important role in optimizing the meat cutting process and increasing productivity. These devices are often designed to be automatic or semi-automatic, helping to reduce labor and increase work efficiency. With smart features, the pair of side saws can flexibly adjust the cutting ratio and cutting speed to meet different production requirements. In this way, the pair of smart side saws not only saves time and effort, but also ensures final product quality, thereby creating trust and satisfaction from customers and production partners. Meat scrapers play an important role in the food processing process, helping to remove crust, skin, or excess fat on the surface of meat quickly and effectively. With sharp blades, quickly and effectively. This process not only saves time but also reduces labor and increases production efficiency. Cashews, one of the most popular and attractive snack nuts in the world. On the line, you will see cashews processed meticulously and professionally. Fresh cashews are separated from the fruit and then cleaned and dried to remove moisture. Next, they are processed with specialized equipment to remove the hard outer shell, saving the seeds inside. Looking at the production process, you will see that every step is done with care and thoroughness, from raw material selection to processing and packaging. This will definitely yield the juicy and fragrant cashews you love every time you enjoy them. The automatic cellophane making line for cookies is a modern piece of equipment in the food industry, helping to effectively enhance the packaging and preservation process of cookies. This equipment is often designed to automatically carry out the process of packaging cookies into paper bags or cellophane bags automatically and quickly. The machine uses sensors and control systems to ensure the packaging process is accurate and stable. This enhances production efficiency and reduces the labor required for the packaging process. Standing in front of the complete cheesecake cutting line, you can't help but be amazed by its automation and efficiency. With delicate and attractive cheese wheels neatly arranged on the conveyor belt, the cutting machine operates powerfully and precisely. Each slice is cut with uniformity and precision. Each wheel of cheese is cut and packed automatically and uniformly, creating final products of consistent quality.